Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make Japanese bento box. Colorful, healthy and appetizing. It's really easy to make. First, you make scrambled eggs. 2 eggs in a bowl and season with salt and sugar. Bento means packed lunch, so you'll eat it somewhere but home. So everything should be seasoned well because you don't have salt and pepper handy. You beat the eggs very well. In a frying pan on medium heat, you put some oil. Please make sure the pan is hot enough before you pour the egg mixture in. And you start stirring straight away. You keep stirring in quick motion like this. I recommend using chopsticks for this. The aim is to make well-cooked scrambled eggs like this. Set the scrambled eggs aside. In the same frying pan on high heat, no need to wash, you put some oil and beef mince and cook. This can be pork or chicken, all will work well. Before the meat turns color, you add seasoning, so sake or mirin, sugar, and soy sauce. You break the mince to small pieces and keep stirring and cooking until all the liquid evaporates. When the meat gets dry and well cooked, and you see no liquid on the bottom, it is done. You set it aside. Again in the same frying pan on high heat. No need to wash. You put some sesame oil and fresh green beans. You cook on high heat to retain color. When the color gets bright, you add salt and white sesame seeds and stir. Now it's done. Set it aside. Now assembling time. First, you put cooled rice in a bento box or any container you have. When you pack bento box, please make sure everything's cool to minimize the chance of food poisoning. Then you put generous amount of cooled beef mince on 1/2 of the bento box. And then you put again generous amount of cooled scrambled eggs on the other half. You put some chopped spring onion in the center for bright color. This is called sanshoku bento. Sanshoku means 3 colors. Now you assemble the side dishes. I use these silicone cups to divide the box into 3 parts, but that's optional. Today I use leftover coleslaw salad, but you can use anything you have in the fridge. Some cherry tomatoes, and the green beans we cooked earlier. Please think about the color combination. It's always nice to have different colors in a bento box. Last but not least, I'm going to show you how to cut apple rabbits. This is a bento box staple for young children. You cut the apple in quarter and remove the core. Then cut the piece in half to make 1/8. You make V-shape incisions in the middle carefully. And peel the small part of the skin off, like this. And this is apple rabbit. How easy! To stop the discoloration, you coat the surface of the apple with lemon juice. And you pack into the box. Now all packed. How colorful and healthy! Let's put the lids on. Bento boxes are usually wrapped. Place a large handkerchief diagonally, put the bento boxes in the center with chopsticks or cutlery, and fold the top and bottom corners, covering the bento boxes, and then using side corners to tie at the top. Now it's neat and easy to carry. After eating, these bento boxes are nesting, so they become super compact. How handy! This is one of many bento box ideas. Hope you make your own bento box for next outing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.